guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. I'm going to start a new series from now to Christmas, and I'm going to do Recipe Wednesday. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you a recipe every Wednesday, a quick little recipe, nothing major, just a few ingredients and things that you can throw together real quick if you need a quick dessert. So this one is going to be a apple pie in a mug in the microwave. So here I am. I have on my Christmas apron, and I'm going to get to the recipe. I'll show you all the ingredients and how you make it and what it looks like when you're done. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know that you like these kind of videos, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need to make this apple pie in a mug is, of course, you're going to need your mug. You're going to need 1 apple. You're going to need some graham cracker crust. I didn't have any graham crackers, so I have these little giant graham things. So I just took a little shredder and shredded them up and got some crumbs. You're going to need some little cinnamon discs, Cinnaments. I got mine at the Dollar Tree. Some, which I got extra creamy, but you can get some whipped topping. A little bit of ground cinnamon. And that is all it's going to take, and your microwave. That is all it's going to take to make this. It's very quick, very easy, and I'm going to show you how you put it all together. Alright, this is the recipe. I pulled it offline off the cooking channel. It was free, so I can share it. You can see it's been a well-loved recipe. I actually put it in this plastic liner so that it wouldn't get any more messed up than what it was. So here is the recipe if you want to pause the video and write it down. Alright, now I'm going to show you how we make it. We have our apples cubed and in a mug. We have our, I think I used, it says use 12 to 15, so I used like 13 or 14 of these. So you put them on top, just put them in the mug. Put it in the microwave. Make sure you have a microwave safe mug for 2 minutes. And also make sure you put a cover over it. I didn't show that, but I can tell you the house already smells like baked apples. It smells amazing. Alright, we're going to check it, stir it, make sure the apples are soft, and put it back in for another 1 to 2 minutes. Took it out the microwave after 2 minutes, giving it a quick stir. See where the mints are still not quite melted completely, so we're going to stick it back in for another minute. Okay guys, my apples are all soft and mixed together really good. It says you need to let it sit and cool for 10 minutes if you like, but I want to keep mine good and hot. So the next thing is you're going to put your whipped topping on it, which I used a really big mug. You don't have to use a mug quite this big. You want to sprinkle some of your graham cracker. I like a lot of graham crackers, so this is really to taste. And you want to put a little bit of cinnamon. Just a little bit. Alright guys, this is your apple pie in a mug. Does that not look delicious? I so wish you could smell it because it smells so good. If nothing else, it's good to make your house smell like you've been baking all day. Alright, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you try it and what you think of it. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Merry Christmas to all.